I've taken a comforting classic recipe and given it an Indian-inspired twist that I think you'll love. To be honest, this is my favourite way to make a shepherd's pie. Sounds good? This is how you make it. For veggie prep, we're going to chop up 2 peppers and 2 onions until they are nice and small. And then you're going to heat some butter in a large pan and just fry those veggies until they are nice and soft. So about 5 minutes or so on a medium heat. And then to that, you're going to add your garlic and your ginger paste, combine all that along with your curry powder and fry that off for a further minute or so. That's all it needs. You don't need to give it too long at this stage. Then add in your lamb mince or your beef mince. If you use lamb mince, shepherd's pie, beef mince, it's cottage pie. Fry that until it's brown. Add in your corn flour to help thicken things along with your stock and chopped tomatoes. Season with plenty of black pepper and hit it up with a little bit more salt. And then you're going to mix it all through and then just let it simmer on a medium heat for about 25 minutes. While that's happening, chop your potatoes and get them on to boil. I'm using a mix of sweet potato and white potato, but it's up to you if you use white or sweet. Totally, doesn't matter. Season with salt, give them about 15 minutes and then drain and mash. And then to that, we're going to add some lighter cheddar cheese along with a half teaspoon of turmeric and then about 100 mils of milk. Mix all that so it's nicely combined and smooth and just a nice mashed potato consistency. And then once that mince is ready, empty it out into a large dish. Let it cool before adding the potato. That'll stop the potato sinking into it. And we're going to give it about 30 to 40 minutes at 200 degrees. And at this point in the video, if you could click that like button, it really does help me out with the growth of the channel. Nothing to do with ego, it just means more people see this video. Then all you need to do is plate it up, garnish with some coriander, and get stuck in. So there we have it. That is Indian-inspired shepherd's pie. I absolutely love doing a shepherd's pie like this, probably because I love curries and the spices that go into it. So this is my favourite way of cooking it, hands down. But you could let me know, do you prefer a traditional shepherd's pie or do you think this one sounds a bit more exciting? Drop a comment below and let me know your preference. And thank you so much for being here. If you want the full recipe, you can get it inside my high protein recipes app. If you just click the link below in the description, you can download it and you'll get the recipe along with all the macros and the calories and so on. And yeah, I'm off to go and eat some of it. I'll speak to you later and thanks again for being here. See ya.